Keenroid starts functioning when a driver swipes the RFID card implemented inside the school bus for beginning a trip. An instant message is sent to parents of all the students assigned on that trip immediately. Parents can now accurately plan tasks to prepare their kids to reach the bus stop on time without delay. In case of any delay of more than 4 minutes for the bus to arrive, parents are immediately notified. When the bus reaches approximately 2 minutes away from the bus stop, parents are again notified. This helps parents and students from standing at the bus stop for a long time during unfavorable weather. When the bus reaches the stop, another notification is sent. Parents and students can now speed up if they are on the way to the bus stop. While entering the bus, when each student flashes the smart card on the RFID-enabled device carried by the conductor, another message is sent to parents with an accurate time. Now the student begins his or her secured school commute. The bus travels through the town and picks up other students. Parents can now live track the location of the bus and its transit through the app provided. When the bus reaches the school, the students flash their smart cards once again on the device, which then generates an instant notification to parents. In the evening, if the students have any extra class or any other extracurricular activities, parents are notified through the app. After school hours, once all the students enter the bus and flash their smart cards on the device, another instant notification is sent to the respective parents. When the school bus is ready to depart from the school, all the parents are informed again. During the commute, if any trouble like a breakdown occurs, a notification would be sent to parents immediately. After an alternative bus arrives, the students are safely shifted and a notification is again sent to parents. Details about the alternative bus and the new driver assigned are also informed to the parents immediately. When the bus is approximately 2 minutes away from each destination stop, another notification would be sent to the respective parents. On reaching the bus stop, another notification is sent. While getting off the bus, the student flashes their smart card on the device again, which will trigger one more notification to the parents. Your child has been safely dropped at the bus stop. Thank you. Keenroid is an advanced technology that helps parents to be stress-free concerning their child's school transit.